choose the image, go to remove.bg, upload image, and then remove the objects you want to remove. It will automatically remove the background, but if you want to remove more objects, you can erase them, and you can download the image from here. And if you want to change the background color, you can change from here. Just go to Canva after downloading the photo, search LinkedIn profile, create new design, upload the image here, and just pick a style, click on it, remove image, and select your image, drop it into the frame, and it's your professional profile for LinkedIn. Now we are going to see how to create banner. Just search LinkedIn banner in the Canva, create, you can pick any of the design, click on it, remove image, and select your image, drop it into the frame,